Everybody, I'm outside. It's so beautiful out here, but when I'm out in the streets, I just got a flashback of when I was in Nigeria. My top Nigerian street foods. I want you guys to make sure you're tuned in. Check it out. These are the foods that I grew up on. Hope you enjoy it. These are my top street foods in Nigeria. Boom. It's glitter. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thank you. So, embarking in the market to buy your favorite foods, let me tell you what you need to get. Puff puff. Puff puff is like a fried donut. Okay? So it has that, but it's softer on the inside, doughy, and then, just basically the dough, it's sweet. They throw it in some oil, fry it fresh, and they wrap it in some newspaper, and it's really best when you eat it when it's fresh. It's so good. Puff puff is something that I can't leave puff puff alone. Puff puff is so good. And then next, chin chin, which is another, it's kind of like, it tastes like a fried scone, but little baby scones, like little baby biscuits, fried or baked. You can have them baked because they do have my mom makes them baked now, and they're really good too. A little bit less on the fat, but fried. And make sure your teeth are strong because chin chin can break your teeth. But it's so, so good and sweet, yummy. Then Boli, roasted plantain. There's nothing like roasted plantain on the grill. When I tell you that roasted plantain on the grill is a hit, it's a hit. This is like paleo, right? Just protein. Atkins, best snack ever. And make sure you get you some Boli. And I like to eat my Boli with ground nuts. So usually while I'm in the US, I roast it in the oven. So you can just get a plantain and put it in the oven and roast it. Really, really yummy. Really, really healthy for you. And look at the peanuts. And the Boli. Serious. And then, when you eat this one, sweet, sweet, sweet pass. Then there's the sausage roll. It's kind of like a deconstructed pigs in a blanket, basically, but it is so yummy. I don't know what kind of sausage they're using, but it's so yummy. There's meat pie, which is like a patty, but more with a flakier, crustier crust. Sausage roll and meat pie go hand in hand for me. You have a meat pie, you have a sausage roll. They usually sell them together. So this is our own Nigerian pastries. On the go, quick snack, but it hits the spot. And then there's the sizzling Suya. That is roasted meat, different sorts of meat. They usually have, beef, chicken, kidney, whatever, and then it's kilishi, which is a dried version of it. So yum, yum. Kilishi is more of a dried version of it. It's dried in the sun with peanuts. And when I tell you kilishi, I can't stop eating it. Then there's fura de no, which is like a dried maize, usually made in northern Nigeria. They make it with yogurt, and it's like a quick, refreshing, cool snack. Then you have Scotch egg, which is like a deviled egg baked inside of a yummy meat with a crust. So that's what you call Scotch egg. From Scotch egg, then there's moi moi. Moi moi is one of my top favorite street food. It is like a fermented beans ground up with different spices and then wrapped in like plantain leaves or leaves and boiled. You can put it in a tin can and boil it to steam it as well. But when I tell you that moi moi is like my crack, I don't know, there's something about it. I really, really love it. And sometimes people put eggs in it. They put crayfish. They put different kinds of like meats and stuff like that if you want. And I usually eat it with eko, which is also like a solidified maize type dish. Then there's akara. Akara is made from the same consistency of moi moi, but it's fried, not boiled, because moi moi is boiled, akara is fried. So because I like moi moi, I'm going to like akara. And usually with akara, I eat it with ogi, which is like a fermented maize made with milk, sugar, up to you how you want to eat it. But akara and ogi are the go-to foods for me. Then there's agege bread, which is a bread that's specially made in Lagos, Nigeria, in the agege area. And when I tell you that this bread just off the oven is sweet pass. It's like a sweet bread, yummy. Like it's so great when it's just freshly baked and you get to get your hands on it. I'm a bread girl. I'm thick. So, I love bread. Me and carbs. This is my carbohydrate problem right here. Agege bread. And usually people put beans inside of it, like the Agoing women make like a beans sauce and they put it in there. You can put akara in it, which is the same beans fried patty that went in the past. But agege bread you can eat with eggs. But there's so many ways to really enjoy agege bread. I swear. It's like they bake it, like people wait. Like people in Nigeria love bread because bread is a great way to like keep you full. They're on the go. They're always hustling and bustling. And look at it again with my favorite akara. Look at packaging. Look at packaging. I'm sharing a picture of me when I was in Nigeria getting suya. My suya run. And suya usually sell it at night. And you have to have the Hausa men make your suya correct for you. You see, they are watching me. They are making my suya and they are watching me. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow my journey. Let me know what you think. And tell me what your favorite foods are. It's glitter.